Hello. Hello, young man. This is the delivery from Wakili?
Yes, she told me you have left SPICL and that I should bring the document straight to your home.
Yes, I left. To start something else. Thank you for delivering so early. It gives me time to organize my day.
No problem, boss. Have a nice day.
Hello, Wakili. How are you today? Your rider has arrived, and I have received the documents. They seem to be in order. Thank you.
You are welcome, Daniel. Contact me if you need anything else.
I will. Hold on the invoice for now. Let me look for money.
No problem. But it will cost you.
Not problem. I know we will be working a lot from now on.
Sure. Make this day great. And I look forward to more engagements.
Hello, Peter.
Good morning, boss.
I am no longer your boss.
You will always be our boss.
Don't say that. You will make me emotional before breakfast.
So, what is the plan today?
I am setting up the brokerage.
Excellent. What are you doing first?
There is still a lot to be done. I am still deciding.
You were a chief customer officer for 20 years. Surely you have a plan.
I have several plans.
How many?
7.
And which one are you implementing?
I am currently reviewing the 7 plans.
That means you are nowhere near starting.
Wait, come to think of it,
What?
the registration is complete. I have the certificate of incorporation.
You do?
Yes, the brokerage is officially incorporated, which means I can now proceed with the licensing requirements.
Exactly.
Peter, I need you to do something for me.
I am listening.
Can you prepare a professional indemnity policy for me immediately? I want to begin the licensing process today.
Boss, I am ahead of you. Check your email. I have already sent you the proposal form. Complete it and email it back to me. I will arrange the policy and prepare the cover note for presentation to IRA.
You actually sent it?
I know you, boss. You have spent 20 years telling people to prepare for the unexpected. I assumed you would appreciate someone preparing for you.
Right away. Seems I am on the fast track to IRA licensing now.
Although
What?
I hope that check for 3 million Kenyan shillings is also ready.
The guarantee?
The very same guarantee.
I am working on all the requirements.
That sounds like a politician's answer.
I am 90% complete.
90%?
Yes.
What about the remaining 10%?
The small matter of the 3 million shillings.
The small matter.
I said I am working on it.
Of course you are.
Peter,
Yes?
thank you.
For what?
Still answering my calls.
You are welcome. But remember,
What? Daniel,
you are no longer the boss.
I know.
Good, because I will still be sending you proposal forms.
Just prepare the cover note.
Complete the form first and attach all the KYC and the requirements. You know, I don't know you now until you provide the KYC.
Yes, the small matter of KYC. I give it to you. My brokerage is still new.
Boss,
Yes?
good luck on your first day. And if you need me to make any call to, smoothen some things, you know I am here for you.
Much appreciated. Have a nice day, Peter. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, boss. How are you today? How may I assist you?
I am fine, thank you. I am here to see the Licensing and Enforcement Department.
Kindly let me see your identification.
Here you go.
Thank you. Please enter your details and sign here. Here is the visitor's pass. Please go to the 4th floor. Receptionist will assist you from there.
Thank you very much. Good morning. My name is Daniel Amandi. I'm here to...
Wait, Daniel Amandi?
Yes, that's me.
We have met before.
Have we?
The SPICL dinner, 2 years ago.
Of course. Now I remember.
You were sitting at the table with the senior management team.
And you were sitting at the table near the stage.
Exactly.
It is good to see you again.
You too.
Actually, I have since...
I saw the news.
You did?
Of course, the interview. You have left SPICL.
Yes,
And your former colleague Peter called us.
Peter called you?
Yes, he did. And told us to expect you.
That man is ahead of me everywhere.
He said you would be coming in today. Kindly have a seat. I will inform the Licensing and Enforcement Department that you are already here.
Thank you. Good morning. I am Daniel Amandi.
Daniel?
Grace?
What are you doing here?
I was hoping you would ask me that after I had sat down.
Welcome to IRA. Please come in.
Thank you.
Good to see you, Mr. Amandi.
Good to see you.
Hello, Daniel. I am David. Welcome.
Thank you, David.
So, how does it feel,
How does what feel?
being unemployed?
I have been waiting for someone to say that.
You know what I mean. You have spent 20 years in the industry. You cannot suddenly be unemployed.
I prefer the term self-employed.
That is what every entrepreneur says during the first 6 months.
I have been self-employed for approximately less than 48 hours.
Then you are still enjoying the honeymoon.
Absolutely. I guess...
And the Prado?
We heard about the Prado.
News travels quickly.
The Prado is doing very well. This is my second day with it.
Daniel, you were on Insurance World TV yesterday.
You saw it?
Of course.
Seems like everyone did.
We all saw it.
How did I perform? It was my first.
You made the transition sound very smooth.
It is television.
So, tell us honestly. How was your first morning?
I woke up at 6, dressed in a suit, went to my home office, opened my diary, and realized that I had no employer.
What did you do?
I made a list.
Of...
Everything I needed to do.
How long was the list?
Long enough to remind me that I had made a serious decision.
And the company?
Incorporated.
Already?
Yes.
Professional indemnity?
In place.
Capital requirements?
I came prepared.
I know you, Daniel. You probably have 3 copies of everything.
Only 2.
That is disappointing. Well, it is good catching up. But I think we should now get down to business. You have come to get your brokerage licensed?
Absolutely.
Then let us see whether you have actually come prepared.
I am ready.
The application itself is normally completed through the IRA portal. Today, we are physically verifying the supporting documents and confirming that everything is in order. Once the required information and documents are uploaded to the portal, the application can be processed.
Understood.
Let us go through everything carefully. Certificate of Incorporation, PIN Certificate, CR12, Professional Indemnity, Registration Fee, 10,000 Kenyan shillings paid. Okay. Paid up share capital of 1 million Kenyan shillings. Okay. All other documents seems okay, save for two things. 1. Your original identity card for verification.
I left it at the security desk.
The other one is the bank guarantee. Yes, I can see you have made the bank deposit of the 3 million. However, there is no letter to confirm.
Okay, I thought this was enough.
We need a letter from the bank addressed to IRA, confirming that the bank is holding the required 3 million Kenyan shillings deposit in accordance with the regulatory requirements.
The deposit slip confirms that money was deposited. The bank letter confirms the nature and status of the deposit.
Understood.
We can't proceed without it. Once you get it, upload all the documents in the portal. If you get everything and upload by 2 p.m. today, you will have the license at 9 a.m. tomorrow.
It's 12 noon now. That means I have a small window within which to fix everything.
Hello, this is Grace from licensing. Mr. Daniel Omondi left his original identification document at the security desk. Could you please send it up? Thank you.
Excuse me. Here is Mr. Omondi's identification document.
Obtain the bank confirmation letter. Upload the required documents on the portal. Make sure the application is complete, and submit everything by 2 p.m. today. If everything is uploaded correctly and the application is complete, by tomorrow morning at 9 a.m., you should have your license to commence practice.
I appreciate that.
I know you have clients lining up to join you. We do not want to delay you. Besides, you have spent 20 years telling people that insurance is about preparation.
Fair enough.
Great. You have 2 hours to meet your end of the bargain for us to also meet ours.
You are not giving me much time to prepare. But anyway, I am up to the challenge.
Now you have to practice what you preached.
Yes.
Then you know what to do.
Absolutely. Bank, then portal, then submit by 2.
Exactly.
And tomorrow morning,
9 a.m.
license.
If everything is complete and in order.
Thank you.
It was good seeing you.
It was good seeing you too.
And Daniel?
Yes?
Congratulations. You are officially on the other side now.
Thank you. I am beginning to realize that.
Good job, Daniel.
You were trained for this, Daniel. Good luck and Godspeed.
Thank you very much. And see you soon. Peter, I found out you had called IRA ahead of me getting there. Thank you. But it turned out I have failed you. I need a favor. My guarantee was not done correctly. I did not get the letter in the required format, and that is where I want you to come in, my friend. So, I need you to call the bank and ask them to do the letter as required so that when I get there, it is ready. I am leaving IRA now, and I am pressed for time. I know. I told you I was handling it. This is also handling it. Yes, the 90% was mine and is done. Now, help me on this 10%. I have just discovered that 90% is not 100%. Thank you, Peter. The boss owes you big time. The title is still valid when it suits me. Seriously, thank you. I am on my way to the bank now.